Did you know PowerPoint can take screenshots better than the snipping tool? No switching between apps, no copy-paste. It's all built right in. Let me show you. First, go to the Insert tab. You'll find an option called Screenshot. When you click it, PowerPoint shows you all the windows currently open on your computer. If you want a full screenshot, just click the window you want, and it instantly appears inside your slide. But if you want only a specific part of the screen, choose Screen Clipping. Your screen will fade out, and you can simply drag to select the exact area you want. Release the mouse, and your screenshot drops right into PowerPoint. Fast and easy, right? Here's a pro tip. Add screen clipping to your quick access toolbar and take screenshots with just a single click. And if you want my personalized QAT setup, check out this video where you can download my customization file for free. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more PowerPoint hacks. Until then, bye. Signing off, the Slide Master.